In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate VLC Media Player step by step. And the good news is that VLC is completely free and activates automatically with no license keys, no signups, and no hidden steps. This is perfect if you've just installed VLC and want to make sure it's fully working and ready to use. VLC is one of the most popular media players in the world, and once you activate it properly, you can play almost any video or audio format without issues. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official VLC website, which is videolan.org. It's very important that you download VLC only from the official website to avoid fake installers or malware. Once you're on the VideoLAN homepage, click on the Download VLC button. The website will automatically detect your operating system, whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, and download the correct installer for your device. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation process. When the installer opens, follow the on-screen setup steps. Click Next to continue, review the license agreement, and click Next again. You can leave all the default settings as they are, since VLC works perfectly out of the box for most users. When you're ready, click Install and wait a few moments while VLC Media Player is installed on your system. Once the installation finishes, click Finish to complete the setup. Now that VLC is installed, go ahead and open VLC Media Player. You can do this by clicking the VLC icon on your desktop or searching for VLC in your Start menu or Applications folder. On the first launch, VLC may ask for permission to access files, media libraries, or network streams. This is completely normal. Click Allow or Accept so VLC can properly scan and play your media files. This step is important because it ensures VLC is fully activated and able to function without restrictions. Next, to confirm that VLC is active and working correctly, go to the top menu and click on Tools, then select Preferences. When the Preferences window opens, this confirms that VLC is fully loaded and activated. You don't need to enter any activation key or sign in to any account. VLC activates automatically as soon as it's installed and open for the first time. You can review or adjust settings here if you want, but there's no requirement to change anything. At this point, VLC Media Player is fully activated and ready to use. You can start playing videos, music, DVDs, or even network streams right away. VLC supports almost every file format, so you shouldn't have any trouble opening your media files. And that's it. You've successfully activated VLC Media Player, and you're ready to start using it with no limitations and no cost. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.